So, hello everybody who can watching this. Welcome to my channel. This my channel, and I want to prove myself and reveal my face. So I was starting this channel a few months ago, around 3 to 4 or 3 to 4 months ago. So and I started a YouTube short. Then at first my videos get at 13k views, 13k views, and 200, around 200 subscribers. So after that, when I upload many shorts, it doesn't get any views. Why not? I don't know at all. Why not? YouTube is doing this to me. I don't know. So I tried many YouTube channels, around 20 channels, including this. So I hope this is my last chance. I mean, this is my last channel, and I believe in this channel to get many viewers and many subscribers. So one day I became a good content creator, and I became famous. So who can watch this video, everybody? Just subscribe my channel, and I wanted to grow, and I don't know, honestly, who can watch, who love me, who can want to support me. Just hit the subscriber button and like the videos to get many subscribers. Thank you for everybody who can watch and the subscribers. I appreciate you. uh, I will come back after get 100k. Yeah, 100k. After I get 100k, I come back, and thanks all of you. Thank you. So my English is not good that much, by the way. So I'm very thank you. Thank you. Bye.